In more football news, sports is often heralded as a powerful movement for peace. The inaugural Jamaica Peace Cup, supported by HWPL, is more than just football. It's a step towards unity, harmony, and a peaceful future for Jamaica. Marlon Samuels has more.
Community members and organizations promoting peace supported the inaugural Jamaica Peace Cup held at the Breezy Castle Sports Complex in downtown Kingston. The match was part of an initiative to foster peace between communities in Central Kingston.
First and foremost, we'd like to thank every single partner that is here today, from Yard Empire, from UNESCO, from SDC, Life Pack, JCI, Jamaica, there's so many, the JCF and JDF. And we'd also like to thank the chairman of HWPL, that is Heavenly Culture, World Peace, Restoration of Light. Truly in his heart this year is sports and the Year of the Youth. So if you see our banner, it says Year of the Youth, and we're here to celebrate the youth and be a part of the community. We're hoping that this is the first, but not the last competition. So please come out and show your support to your team and cheer loudly. I won't tell you, I'm not rooting for anybody. I'm just rooting for fun and sportsmanship.
On the field, the players showcased their talent and exemplified true sportsmanship. As the final whistle blew, Parade Gardens edged out Rose Gardens 1-0. But the Peace Cup was about more than just goals. It is the desire of the organizers that the spirit of sportsmanship displayed on the field will lead to stronger friendships and better relationships beyond the game.
I am confident that the results that we intend for this event to have, we will see the results. We will have the results, and that is peaceful coexistence between our residents. No matter from what corner or section of the community you're from, that we can all share the space in a mutually beneficial way, respect each other, respect our individual rights, and live in peace. I am truly, truly happy to have participated. I want to say thank you again to HWPL and team, Destiny, Henry, Mr. Hanan, Opa, what's her name, my friend here? That name is a little difficult to pronounce, but forgive me. And I really thank you for coming into this to Jamaica and to this constituency in particular, Central Kingston, where you have invested your time, your energy, your money, and we really appreciate it. And we look forward to continued cooperation and collaboration so we can achieve more in the future. My vision for HWPL is that you replicate this approach in Central Kingston across Jamaica and the entire Caribbean and world for that matter. Peace.
The inaugural Jamaica Peace Cup, put on by HWPL, is a testament to how sports can unite communities and foster a culture of harmony on and off the field. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.